Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to fix do not disturb mode automatically turned on problem in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. First of all, go to the notification area, and if you see do not disturb is already turned on, even if you turn it off manually, sometimes automatically it will be turned on later. Okay, so if you would like to fix this problem, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the notification area first and long press on the do not disturb here, and you will see these details here itself. Also you can turn it off manually. Okay, otherwise if you want to completely fix it, just go to details here, so that details will be opened, and here already you have a schedule here. Okay, in my phone it is showing that a schedule is showing like every day 10 p.m. to 3:59 p.m. next day it will be active. Okay, so even if you turn it off in the midway, it will be automatically turned on. Okay, so what you have to do, just to turn it off or delete the schedule. Okay, I turn it off. Okay, and also for instant turn off this button, don't disturb. Okay, so now you will not get don't disturb option. Okay, in your phone, see here it is already disabled. Okay, suppose if you would like to manually uh, do it for some particular time only, just to turn it on. Okay, turn it on the first option, keep the first one is turned on, and keep the schedule is turned off. Okay, the schedule will be giving trouble to you, because according to this schedule it will be automatically turned on. Okay, so to avoid automatic turn on of do not disturb, just turn off the schedule, and if you require, use do not disturb for some particular time only. Okay, manual, this is now manual. Okay, so in this way you can easily fix uh, do not disturb automatically turned on in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.